we're going to try toe tap with alternating arm raise. And the reason why I like this one is it really teaches your core to be rock solid while the limbs move away from you in different directions, and they're working in opposition. So mentally, it can really help you to stay strong, right? Keep driving the car, keep moving forward, even though there might be hazards or things blocking your way. You're just staying nice and stable while trying to rock yourself unsteady. All right, so here we go. We're gonna lie down on the spine. Now my back is flat, my feet are hip distance. So we're going to imprint and raise those legs up to tabletop. Arms over the chest, so my feet are hip distance, my arms are shoulder distance. And then I'm going to lower the right leg and the left arm at the same time. So this is where the Control-ology comes in, right? You're just like super concentrating on keeping the other arm and leg absolutely still. So that's really core stability while moving the arm. So I'm gonna move my left arm back and my right arm is gonna drop to the floor, okay, at the same time. So start with the breath in, exhale, lower, reach back, bring it back, and we can alternate for 9 and 8. So I'm making a funny noise with my breath. You don't have to, but it's an exhale. 6, breathe in, breathe out. So see how my breath is wrapping around my core, and I'm staying nice and controlled even though my arm and my leg want to sort of rock my core unsteady. 2 more, out and in. 1 more, out and in. And then just give your knees a little hug, okay? That should feel really nice. So Pilates is all about staying strong in the middle of the body while the limbs, the arms and the legs, right, are moving in different directions. That would be a different variation here with long arms and long legs. All right, great job. Give it a try.